Hi, this is Brian McHenry at McHenry Software. What we have here is an example project that one of our licensees did and who provided to us to demonstrate some of the capabilities of our software. What you see here is a surface that was created with a point cloud and then made into a DXF, which was surfaced and then a draped overhead imagery. What you're seeing now, this panning, is what's called our auto pan and zoom, and I'll show you a couple of views of that just to show you the kind of capabilities you can have with our software. The auto pan is called tracking camera. And if we go to second view, here's one here where we're kind of doing a side view. And then here's another one where we do a drone kind of flying down and then following the car. Now to turn off that so you have a fixed camera, we can just go ahead and up here you see the set track view, you turn that off. And then one of the things we want to demonstrate is this is a DXF. So if we go over here and we click on the ground, it brings up this menu to the right, and we click on the drawing overlay. Let's turn it back on so then you can see the many points that were used to surface this. One additional thing we'd like to demonstrate is that when this was imported, you can see that there's a edit elevation. When you bring in that DXF, again, this is the DXF drawing overlay that we brought in. You can move it, reposition it, etc. You go to our import, and you see there are the points that were imported. Now, I can go ahead and delete all triangles. Now you see those are the points, and actually we can delete all points. The DXF was brought in. The main way that you create the surface is you first select entities, and here with DXF you notice on the top here there is select all. It goes in and gets all those points. Then we're done selecting. Takes us a brief moment. Now the only other step is to say make all triangles. And it creates the surface that you're going to be seeing. Now some of these here we could probably get rid of. I don't think they're going to make any difference, but if you want, you can go in and individually see you have up here delete triangle. You can make additional triangles. You can move things up and down, etc. So now all we got to do is, given a grid increment, we say apply. And it creates that surface. And we go down here, there's our surface that we're running on. Just an idea of how these surfaces, when you do your cloud scan, how you can convert that cloud scan, which we can import directly, or if you export it, there's some third-party items that you use for transforming cloud scans into DXFs, and you can add that in. Now let's get rid of this, and you see there's the many points that were used to surface the terrain. And we can actually go ahead and rerun the simulation where you can see then those are the points that define it, showing that we are on the actual terrain that was scanned with a scanner. And so there's just been a quick demonstration of some of the capabilities of our MSMAC 3D software, and we thank the licensee for providing it to us. Thank you.